Timesaver 1 is track presets. When you add a new track, it can already have all of your favorite plugins on it. Click this button or add a key command to it, and you'll see Cubase has a whole lot of presets for different kinds of tracks. Let's just pick one. And it comes with these channel settings, but you can also create your own preset. Set up your inserts, change the volume, panning, then go to preset management, save track preset. I'd recommend giving it a very searchable name, because once you type it in the search bar, it'll stay there, and you just have all of your own presets ready to go. Timesaver 2, to duplicate a plugin in the mix console, use Option or Alt and drag it over, which also works for an entire chain. If something goes wrong, like you accidentally deleted something, use Option or Alt Z to undo. Timesaver 3, to change the velocity of multiple MIDI notes that are the same note, Command or Control click on the piano key, and hold Command or Control and Shift to change the value. Or use the handles. And Shift double-clicking on a note will select this note and all the next ones. Timesaver 4, if you want to make a change to the same plugin on several tracks, select the tracks, hold Option or Alt Shift, make the change in one of them, and they all change. Timesaver 5. To create a new MIDI track, double-click in here. If you need an audio track, select an audio track and then double-click. To create a MIDI event, double-click in here. If you need it to be a certain size, set your locators and then double-click. Timesaver 6. To edit without clicks and pops, activate Snap to Zero Crossing, so if you make a cut, it's always on the 0 point. You can also use auto fades, which you can set up for the entire project by going to Project, Auto Fade Settings, and choose which fades you want to apply automatically. Or you can set them up for a single track by clicking this button, and then deselect this one. Timesaver 7. Instead of exporting audio that has a lot of processing, or exporting a virtual instrument that's slowing your computer down, you can select a track or separate events, go to Edit, Render in Place, Render Settings, choose what and how you want to render, then disable and maybe hide the original track, and if you need to make an adjustment, just bring the original back. Change plugins, MIDI notes, whatever you need to change, and render it again. And the biggest time saver is my recording template, so if you don't have it yet, go grab it, link in description. So I hope that helped. If it did, please like the video and also subscribe, and have fun making music.